This is gonna be your rear foot elevated split squat, otherwise known as your Bulgarian split squat. We're gonna do this at body weight for this demonstration. So to start out here, I'm gonna be seated on a bench. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spike my heels out in front of me, and then I'm gonna get one foot, post it for stability, and stand up. Now my front foot is exactly where I need it to be, so that's a great kind of little hack to. Now all I need to do is post that back foot up, and now when I descend into the squat, I'm at the perfect depth. So you can see here, my shin is relatively vertical, my knees on the pad here, I got good depth, nice and upright, and then I drive back up. When I descend into my squat, I want to sync the breath up. So as I descend down, I'm going to inhale to fill my diaphragm, create more stability, and then as I exhale, I'm going to drive up. I want to make sure I have full foot contact. So again, as I descend down, I'm sitting in that back and downward direction. I don't want to go straight vertical down, because if I do, it ends up becoming more of a knee squat. So I want this to be more of a hamstring hip squat. So I'm going to sit back and down. Again, as I sit back down, I'm going to inhale. Now full breath, full belly, full diaphragm, drive up through the foot and through the breath. Through the whole foot. Big toe stays connected, so make sure we have good big toe awareness. Control the entire range of motion, and that is going to be your rear foot elevated split squat.